Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Samkate. Today I will show you how to rectify FlexNet license finder error. Just now I fixed this error for me, so I'm making a video on that. Whenever you see or pop up this message in AutoCAD, once you open AutoCAD, close AutoCAD itself, come to taskbar. Here, right click Task Manager, and here you need to close all the AutoCAD and Autodesk services. Any services is or any application is open here, you need to close it. Okay, suppose here I have this Autodesk services for me is running because I just activate everything for me, everything is running fine. That's why I'm not closing here, but you need to close this one with the end task, all the Autodesk and AutoCAD services. Then you need to come to this, uh, you need to open Drive C, program file, common file, Autodesk share, network licenses. So we'll follow this route. Here is the Drive C, program file 86, common files, here Autodesk share, and here you need to open network license manager. Here you need to open LM tools. This IM tools, you need to open with the administration. You need to right click, run as administration. Here you need to click on this ADS, ADSK and LM services. You need to click on this. Then you need to come here to start stop. Here I'll not click on anything. Just I will show you because for me everything is running fine. This is why I will not do anything, but only I need to show you. Here you need to click on this read license file. Once you click on this, then one message will come here, reread is completed. Once it's complete, then you need to click on start services. Once you put this command start services, so then you can close when this one here, and you can open AutoCAD file, anything, it will be hopefully working fine after that. Because for me it is work, that's why I just make a video on that to share with you guys also. Thank you.